Good morning, welcome back. Look at the mess in my background. Oh, it's even messier down here. But welcome back to another vlog. It's Friday. I'm working all day today, but I do have some stuff to do this evening, and it's Lee's birthday tomorrow. And just like that, it's dark outside. Hey, it's dark outside. I have this array of things for Karen to pick up. We're restocking the trays. Lots of candles. Some of these are new that we have not released yet. And when Lee gets back from the shop, I'm making margaritas in my grandma's old blender, which, by the way, is the most amazing blender in the world. You can find these on eBay, brand new. They are the, I'm going to say Moulinex. Is it like Molyneux? I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's this brand, and it's the best blender I've ever used in my entire life. Fully crushes ice, not a burning smell when you use it. It's amazing. Probably from the 70s. Does this happen to anyone else? Because I've just been looking around everywhere. Even went downstairs. I'm nearly finished with my Bobbi Brown vitamin skin base. I'm gonna have to buy another one. Hopefully there's a Black Friday deal. I've been looking around everywhere. Even went downstairs. I'll move this gross brush. It's just hair, guys. It's just hair. And could not find this. And then I came back to my desk and was like, it's here. It was here the whole time. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser in Latte Lips, and I got it last week and I haven't used it yet. Oh, love. I've got it on. I just put a lip liner on. It was the Urban Decay Naked, just on my actual lip liner, and this goes perfectly. I love it. So it's Lee's birthday today. I could have been vlogging, we've done things, but it just didn't occur to me, honestly. And then this afternoon I was doing the beginnings of Milo's room makeover. So tomorrow I'm going to be painting. I seem to just have kind of like a bit of a decorating bug at the moment. But right now I'm getting ready to go out for dinner. So we came for dinner, and oh, have you eaten it? Have you eaten the thing? It had a little chocolate that said happy birthday. They came
someone
to
else's birthday.
They're doing these happy birthday things all over the place. But they came and said, is it someone's birthday? And we were like,
No.
no one's birthday. It's Lee's birthday. And then like 2 minutes later they came with our dessert singing happy birthday. How do they know it's his birthday? How did they know? We must have at some point. This was what just happened to him. We always see fireworks on the way home from Lee's birthday dinner. It's Sunday morning and I'm in Milo's room. This is my task for today is I'm going to paint some of the walls. I'm going to put up a new blind. He's got a new mattress, the whole thing, but seriously, I don't know where to begin with this room. I have painted a greyish band around the room. Feeling pretty good about this. Also, the original blind that I bought was navy blue from down. I went to put it up and I'd completely mismeasured and it was way too small. So I had to go to B&Q, but that meant I went and got a little bit of an offcut of wallpaper to put in that frame for now, because I don't know what I'm going to put in it. And this is now the situation with the storage. It's not ideal. It's not ideal. But I did put another rail up there and I put a shelf up there just for more storage. Do you know what? This is not my job. Milo needs to go through this stuff. It's a teach a man a fish situation, but I'm feeling nice about this. Also yesterday, did I tell you this already? I swapped the side that the TV was on and I'm feeling good about that too. I'm still waiting for some stuff to be delivered, so we'll reconvene tomorrow. Just dropped Milo off. He's got like, what would you call it? Like an open day at the like next school up that I used to go to. And I swear to God, I was just stood there looking across the school like, is this PTSD? Like, I'm not. I was stood there for ages to the point where someone asked me if I needed anything and I was like, no, I'll probably go now. There's a lot of bad memories at that school. It's Monday. I have my brother coming around with his daughter this afternoon and I've got other stuff to do. So I'm going to give myself an hour till 10 to just chill before the madness continues. I got very little done. It's not true. I finished and boxed up quite a few candles to hand over to Karen, and I did some laundry and other bits, just like kind of made tiny amounts of progress in Milo's room. But it's now Tuesday, and I've just been to Morrison's. I went to Morrison's for one thing. Not the thing. Not the thing. I'm actually going to the office tomorrow. I just bought myself some pate. Pate on toast is an amazing instant meal. But I'm going to the office tomorrow, so while I was in there, I was like, oh, well, I'm going to need full fat Coke in can form, because that's what I'm doing now. And it was £2 for £5, so I've got to do that. And then finally, what I actually went for this, because I saw on Instagram that someone had put it in the top of their, what's it called? What is that cup that I've got that's like so overpriced? Stanley Cup. And it kept it cold. And I like my ice cream like solid. When we're eating ice cream together, I get the first, I have the ice cream, and then Lee has the ice cream when it's like melty, which is ideal because I eat from around the edges. And then when I get a melty bit in the middle, I feed that to him. It's like Jack Sprat situation. But yeah, I'm going to try this later on. I went to Morrison specifically for ice cream to try that. I'll let you know. I went upstairs to get something, just like, you know, got distracted with some other stuff. And then I came downstairs and was like, oh, I can smell burning. Immediately forgot that I'd made toast.
Oh yeah, you got a new address. I'm asking a simple question.
You are not, sir.
In the matter of the people of Illinois.
My last question.
I am very happy to report this works a treat. It's also nice to have a handle. The whole thing is like, why have I never thought of this before? Finished up Milo's stuff for now. Kids are playing upstairs, can you hear them? And now I'm finishing up some candles. These are some Merry candles, which the styrofoam, if anyone was waiting to find out about, totally successful. It leaves the tops smooth and helps them cure more evenly in this cold weather. We had a huge candle launch this afternoon. I posted something on Instagram and I did like something just for our mailing list with our new Stardust candle, which is so special. The jar is amazing. So that was really exciting. And me and Karen will be meeting about that tomorrow because I've got some stock to give over to her and I need to do some stuff for the website. And Ella and Milo are right as we speak, playing Fortnite. It's like an invasion of the body snatchers thing. I don't know what's happening, so I'm gonna go and get a bath, finish up this vlog, chill for a little bit before Lee comes home with the desk from IKEA that I need to build.